Hello, I'm Liam and welcome to my YouTube channel. I regularly post videos on growing fruit, vegetables, herbs and flowers at home and on my allotment. I also include videos on gardening equipment and step-by-step videos on common gardening projects. To keep everything organised, I have a website called allotmentbook.co.uk. This makes it easy to find content on topics like how to start an allotment or polytunnel growing, and there are a whole set of growing guides too. And just launched, there is a new web app called allotmentbook.app, and there is a link to this on my website. This makes it easy to plan and organise what to grow. It contains a comprehensive collection of growing ideas, as well as gardening equipment and gifts. Each idea can be saved to your favourites collection. I hope this is a quick, fun and easy way to decide what to grow and what to buy. There is also an AI-powered gardening tool called Ask Wellybot. If you have a gardening question, try asking Welly. This is an experimental feature, but I think it is surprisingly good at providing quick answers to common gardening questions. And there is an achievement section. This is a place to save photos of plants you grow. Aside from being a convenient way to look back at gardening successes, it's also a way of recording what plants have grown well. It avoids the need to write things down to remember what worked in previous years. For extra motivation, the app awards stars for growing different types of plants. This is a great way of challenging yourself to experience the wide variety of plants it's possible to grow and learn along the way. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Both the app and the website can be found by visiting allotmentbook.co.uk.